Hello students, today's topic is synthesis of pyrimidine nucleotides. Like purine nucleotide synthesis, the synthesis of pyrimidine nucleotides comprises of two pathways, de novo and salvage pathway. First we will discuss the de novo pathway. De novo pathway of pyrimidine synthesis. So in de novo synthesis, the pyrimidine ring is synthesized first and then it is attached to a ribose phosphate. To form a pyrimidine nucleotide. Now, pyrimidine ring is a 6-membered ring. Atoms are numbered in clockwise direction. Now this C2 and N3 comes from carbamoyl phosphate. And carbamoyl phosphate is synthesized from bicarbonate and ammonia, and this reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 2. Two molecules of ATP are required, and the rest of the atoms comes from aspartate. Now, this pyrimidine ring takes up ribose phosphate from phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate to form the UTP, uridine triphosphate. From UTP, we get CTP. This is for RNA. Then, from UTP, thymidine triphosphate, and from CTP, deoxycytidine triphosphate are synthesized for DNA. So in this video we will discuss up to formation of UTP and CTP. Now the first reaction, bicarbonate and ammonia combines to form carbamoyl phosphate and catalyzed by carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 2 enzyme. And this enzyme has two polypeptide chains, It is a smaller chain and a larger chain. Smaller chain contains an active site in which the glutamine is hydrolyzed to glutamate and ammonia. So this is the glutamine hydrolysis site. So this ammonia is supplied by glutamine. And in the larger chain, there are two active sites where two reactions occur. First, there is phosphorylation of bicarbonate to form carboxyphosphate, and then amination of the carboxyphosphate. Phosphate is released to form carbamic acid. So this ammonia is combined with carboxyphosphate to form carbamic acid. And in the larger chain, this carbamic acid gets phosphorylated with the help of ATP to form carbamyl phosphate. Carbamyl phosphate. So in the same enzyme, 3 reactions occurs in 3 active sites. In one active site, there is glutamine hydrolysis and generation of ammonia. In one active site, there is phosphorylation of bicarbonate to form carboxyphosphate first. Then this ammonia combines with carboxyphosphate to form carbamic acid. This carbamic acid goes to another active site, and there is another phosphorylation with the help of ATP to form carbamyl phosphate. So 2 molecules of ATP are required. So advantages of this arrangement is one is intermediate generated at one active site are captured with no loss by diffusion, and labile intermediates such as carboxyphosphate and carbamic acid are protected from hydrolysis. After this step, it is after formation of carbamyl phosphate, it is acted upon by the enzyme aspartate transcarbamylase. Aspartate transcarbamylase. Aspartate combines with carbamyl phosphate to form carbamyl aspartate. And phosphate is released. This carbamyl phosphate is converted into dihydroaurated by the enzyme dihydroauratase. And this is cyclization. Cyclization reaction. Then dihydroauratate is converted into auratate with the help of the enzyme dihydroauratate dehydrogenase. NAD is required. Then auratate is converted into auratidylate acid or auratidylate or auratidine monophosphate by the enzyme auratate phosphoribosyl transferase or pyrimidine phosphoribosyl transferase. Auratate phosphoribosyl transferase. Here the ribose phosphate moiety is transferred from PRPP to auratate to form auratidine monophosphate. Now from auratidine monophosphate, UMP is synthesized by OMP decarboxylase or auratidylate decarboxylase. So carbon dioxide is released. From uridine monophosphate, uridine diphosphate is formed by nucleoside monophosphate kinase. Nucleoside monophosphate kinase. And this reaction utilizes only ATP. So UMP is phosphorylated by ATP to form UDP, uridine diphosphate. From uridine diphosphate, uridine triphosphate is formed by another phosphorylation by any of the nucleoside triphosphate by the enzyme nucleoside diphosphate kinase. So this enzyme has a broad specificity. So any other nucleoside triphosphate can phosphorylate UDP to form UTP. So UTP is converted into cytidine triphosphate CTP by CTP synthase enzyme. CTP synthetase enzyme, and here there is amination of the UTP to form CTP, and the amino group is supplied by glutamine, and glutamine is converted into glutamate. ATP is required as the source of energy. So this is the formation of pyrimidine nucleotides by de novo pathway. Now Selves pathway. There are two ways by which pyrimidine nucleotides can be synthesized by Selves pathway. One way is pyrimidine nucleosides can be phosphorylated into pyrimidine nucleotides by the enzyme nucleoside kinases. By phosphorylation, or the free pyrimidine base combines with PRPP to form the nucleotide and inorganic pyrophosphate by the enzyme pyrimidine phosphoribosyl transferase. So this is the Selves pathway. Now regulation of pyrimidine synthesis. Regulation. Number one, it is regulated by two ways. Number one is by gene expression, and number two is by enzyme activity. Gene expression. By regulating the gene expression, it can be regulated. So the first three enzyme, carbamyl phosphate synthetase 2, aspartate transcarbamylase, and dihydroorotase, CAD, carbamyl phosphate synthetase 2, aspartate transcarbamylase, and dihydroorotase. They are part of a multi-enzyme complex and regulated by coordinate repression, and de-repression in the gene level. So by regulating the gene expression, it can be regulated. So the last two enzymes, orotate phosphoribosyl transferase and OMP decarboxylase, they are also regulated by a similar way. They are part of multi-enzyme complex and regulated by coordinate repression and de-repression. Then number two is by regulating the enzyme activity. So this is mainly allosteric regulation, enzyme activity. So carbamyl phosphate synthetase 2 is inhibited by UTP and purine nucleotides. So there is cross regulation from purine nucleotides also, and it is activated by phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate. The enzyme aspartate transcarbamylase is inhibited by cytidine triphosphate and activated by ATP. Then the enzyme OMP decarboxylase is inhibited by uridine monophosphate. There is also coordinate regulation of purine and pyrimidine nucleotide synthesis, and for example CPS2 is inhibited by purine nucleotides, as well as the enzyme PRPP synthetase is inhibited by thymidine diphosphate. So this is about synthesis of pyrimidine nucleotides and its regulation.